This channel makes over $90,000 a month. Not by selling products, not by chasing trends. It earns that just by looping relaxing music on YouTube. I first came across the Lofi Girl channel a couple of years ago. You've probably seen it. It's that 24/7 live stream of a cartoon girl studying while calm music plays in the background. The visuals are simple but inviting. The music is mellow. It never stops streaming. When I looked into it, I saw that it had millions of subscribers, hundreds of millions of views, and possibly one of the highest watch times on YouTube. At first, I was just curious, but the more I watched, the more I saw potential. This wasn't just a music stream, it was a business model, so I decided to replicate it. But instead of copying what was already done, I built my own version from scratch using AI tools and a clearer content strategy. Here's exactly what I did. Step 1. Research. The first thing I dug into was the audience. I wasn't making this for just anyone. I was targeting people who needed focus, students who wanted something calm to listen to while studying, remote workers who wanted light background music, people who couldn't sleep and just needed something soft to keep them company at night. This clarity helped guide every decision from the music to the visuals. Once I had that figured out, I started collecting reference points. I listened to playlists on Spotify and Apple Music. I paid attention to what people were tagging as study beats or chill instrumental. It was mostly slow tempo, soft melodies, no vocals. That gave me a clear idea of the type of music I needed. Step 2. Generate AI music. I didn't go out and hire musicians or look for royalty-free tracks. Instead, I used Music GPT. This AI tool lets you describe the type of track you want and then generates an original piece based on that. I'd write something like lo-fi instrumental with soft piano and gentle drums, and select the instrumental-only setting. Then it gave me the audio file which I could download and use right away. Every mix I created was about 2 hours long. That's long enough for someone to sit through a full study session or wind down at night. And because the music was original, I didn't have to worry about copyright strikes or monetization problems. Step 3. Generate AI visuals. I wanted to create that same cozy atmosphere that Lofi Girl had. Something that feels familiar and peaceful. But again, I didn't want to pull random art off the internet. I used ChatGPT to generate the image. I typed in a prompt that described what I wanted. ChatGPT created the base image. Then I used Kling AI to animate it. I didn't want a full cartoon, just a few subtle movements. Maybe the girl blinking or the rain falling. That small bit of motion makes it feel alive and keeps viewers engaged longer. The final result looked really polished. You'd never know it was made with AI tools unless I told you. Step 4. Add sound effects. Optional. To make the video a little more comforting and to add an ASMR feel to my videos, I went back to Music GPT and generated relevant sound effects, like comforting rainfall. It was a small touch, and it's not necessary, but I enjoyed how it made my video feel a little more alive. Step 5. Edit. Once I had the audio and visuals ready, I put them together into a full video. I used CapCut for this, which is beginner-friendly and free to use. I exported it in high quality and tested it a few times to make sure it looked and sounded smooth. Step 6. Set up as a live stream. Now here's the part that really took it to the next level. I didn't just upload the video and walk away. I set it up as a 24/7 live stream. Using OBS, which is a free streaming tool, I created a loop that played continuously. I ran the stream on a virtual private server, so it didn't take up my own computer's resources. That way, it could run day and night without interruptions. The reason this matters is that YouTube's algorithm treats live streams a little differently. When something is always on and people are watching it for hours at a time, it gets recommended more. The average watch time on my stream was way higher than a regular video. People would leave it running in the background while working or fall asleep to it. That adds up fast. My results. Eventually, my stream got hundreds of thousands of views. Then it passed 1 million. And because it's the same stream, I didn't need to keep uploading new content every week. One good loop can go a long way if it's built well. A big part of the growth came from the title of the stream. I didn't try to get creative or clever. I just wrote exactly what people were searching for. Titles like Lofi beats to study and relax to, or chill music for focus and work. That made it easy for people to find and easy for the algorithm to recommend. I also made sure the description was clean and included relevant tags without going overboard. You might be wondering, how sustainable is all this? Well, back in 2022, YouTube accidentally took down the original Lofi Girl stream. It had been live for 2 years. People were upset. Social media blew up with complaints. Hashtags like #BringBackLofiGirl started trending. Everyone from students to music fans were talking about it. That mistake ended up being free publicity. When the stream came back, it got even more attention than before. That moment taught me something. People build a habit around these streams. They rely on them to get through their day. When something feels consistent and safe, it becomes part of their routine. And routines are powerful. This isn't about getting lucky, it's about building a system that runs on its own. I spent a few weeks setting it up. After that, it mostly maintains itself. I check on the stream to make sure it's running. I upload a new stream every now and then to test different themes. But the core channel keeps working even if I'm not actively involved. You can do the same thing. You don't need to be a musician. You don't need to be an animator. You just need to use the tools that are already available. Music GPT gives you the music. ChatGPT gives you the visuals. Kling AI makes the animation. OBS lets you stream it all. The key is to build something people actually use. Don't aim for viral. Aim for useful. Build a space that someone wants to return to again and again. The rest will follow. If you also want to start investing the income you make, check the link in the description. I use interactive brokers, and you can get up to $1,000 of free stock when you sign up through my link. If you're serious about financial freedom, getting your money to work is just as important as earning it. What kind of stream would you want to make? Would it be for night owls or early morning focus? Are you thinking rain or ocean sounds? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.